In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create auto-sell orders on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know how to set a sell order that triggers automatically at your chosen price using Coinbase's advanced trade, plus a couple of options for automating your strategy further. First, open the Coinbase app or go to the website and switch to the advanced view. On mobile, look for the toggle or menu option labeled Advanced. On desktop, you'll see Advanced Trade in the navigation. This view gives you the order types and controls you need, and it typically offers lower fees than the simple converter. Next, choose the market pair for the asset you want to sell, like BTC, USD or ETH/USDT. Make sure the quote currency matches what you want to receive. For example, if you want dollars back, select a USD pair. If you want stablecoins, pick USDT or USDC. Taking a moment here, avoid selling into the wrong market. Now, go to the Sell tab and change the order type to Limit. A limit sell order lets you set the minimum price you're willing to accept. Unlike a market order, it won't execute immediately. It will wait on the order book until the market reaches your target. Enter the amount you want to sell and your limit price. The quantity is how much of the asset you're selling. The limit price is your floor, the least you'll take per unit. Choose a realistic target based on the current price and recent range. If you set it too high, it might never fill. Too low, and you could sell sooner than intended. Double check decimal places and your currency pair before continuing. Many limit orders can fill partially. That's normal. If the market touches your price, fills may come in chunks until your full quantity is sold. Submit the order. From here, it's hands off. The order will execute automatically only if the market reaches your limit price. If it doesn't, the order will simply remain open. You can monitor its status anytime in your advanced trade interface. Quick note, I've placed the official Coinbase app download links and the website link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. If you want protection on the downside, consider a stop limit order. You set a stop price that, when reached, triggers a limit sell. This can help cap losses in fast markets. For more advanced automation, platforms like 3 or CryptoHopper can integrate via API to run rules-based selling strategies. Use reputable services and secure your API permissions. That's all you need to create auto-sell orders on Coinbase. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.